So now I'm going to show you how to put on an order when you don't know the account code, when you have to search for it. So sales, standard sales order. Again, that'll load. So new, as in a new order. Now this time we don't know the account code. So what we do is you click on the spyglass. And in here, you can search for the invoice name. So it could be the invoice name or it contains part of the invoice name. So what I do to make sure I get all the options as I click on this little icon here, and I want contains because I want everybody that could possibly have this name. So say we want the name William. So I just type in now, after you hit contains, William. So this is the people that all have William within the name. So again, you can see their trading name. This is the first line in the address. And if you want to double check against the town or the country or the postcode, if you know the information that you need. So the one I am looking for in particular is in Dublin. So I would go to here. So it's in Dublin, County Dublin 12. Just double check the name for the last second and hit double click it. And that will allow you to pick that customer code.